fashion lovers, we have breaking news that's shaking up the luxury industry. Jack McCollough and Lazaro Hernandez, the creative minds behind Proenza Schouler, are officially taking the reins at Loewe. This marks the end of Jonathan Anderson's remarkable 11-year tenure and the beginning of an exciting new chapter. What does this mean for the future of Loewe? How will McCollough and Hernandez reshape the brand? Let's break it all down. 1. The big announcement and what it means. First things first. This is one of the most significant creative director shifts of the year. McCollough and Hernandez, who co-founded Proenza Schouler in 2002, have built a reputation for their modern approach to craftsmanship. But why Loewe? And why now? Loewe is one of the most respected houses under LVMH, known for its artisanal craftsmanship and experimental yet wearable designs. Bringing in McCollough and Hernandez signals a possible shift towards a more contemporary, American-influenced aesthetic while maintaining Loewe's Spanish heritage. And let's not forget, these two aren't just designers. They're storytellers. Their ability to blend innovation with structure is exactly what Loewe thrives on. But before we look ahead, let's take a moment to reflect on the legacy they're following. 2. Jonathan Anderson's legacy at Loewe. For over a decade, Jonathan Anderson turned Loewe into one of the most exciting fashion houses in the world. From the playful surrealist elements to his obsession with artisanal techniques, Anderson brought a visionary perspective. And let's not forget, he made the puzzle bag a global sensation. Under his leadership, Loewe's sales boomed. LVMH doesn't reveal exact numbers, but industry insiders report that Loewe's revenue has grown nearly 5x since Anderson took over. His departure leaves some big shoes to fill, but if anyone can rise to the occasion, it's the Proenza Schouler duo. 3. Who are McCollough and Hernandez? If you're not already familiar with Jack McCollough and Lazaro Hernandez, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. These two met while studying at Parsons School of Design and launched Proenza Schouler right after graduation. Their first collection was so impressive that Barney's bought it in full talk about instant success. Since then, they've been redefining American luxury with structured silhouettes, innovative textiles, and a modern approach to femininity. They've dressed everyone from Rihanna to Michelle Obama, and their signature aesthetic is all about effortless sophistication. So, what does this mean for Loewe? 4. The future of Loewe under McCollough and Hernandez. Let's talk predictions. Loewe is known for its craftsmanship, but under Anderson, we saw a more conceptual, avant-garde approach. McCollough and Hernandez, on the other hand, are more structured and minimalist. So, what could change? Key predictions. 1. More structured silhouettes. Expect sharp tailoring and precise draping, similar to what they've done at Proenza Schouler. 2. A shift in leatherwork. Loewe's known for its exquisite leather, but the duo might bring a sleeker, more urban edge to the designs. 3. New it bags. Could we see the next puzzle bag moment? McCollough and Hernandez have a history of creating accessories that become instant cult favorites. 4. A more American influence. With their background in New York fashion, we might see a blend of Loewe's Spanish heritage with a modern, urban twist. If they bring their signature, cool girl minimalism to Loewe, while respecting its roots, we could be looking at a fashion revolution. 5. Industry reactions and what's next. Of course, the fashion world has opinions. Some are excited about fresh energy at Loewe, while others are skeptical about how their American approach will blend with Loewe's Spanish DNA. Here are some of the things people on social media have to say. Proenza Schouler x Loewe. This could be amazing. No one can replace Anderson. He made Loewe what it is today. I can't wait to see how they transform the brand. One thing's for sure, fashion is constantly evolving, and this could mark the beginning of a whole new era. Their first collection is expected to debut in September 2025, and we'll be covering every detail. So, what do you think? Will McCollough and Hernandez elevate Loewe? Or do you think Anderson's absence will be too big to fill? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear your takes. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest fashion updates. And if you love in-depth breakdowns like this, check out my recent video on the biggest fashion shifts of 2025. Subscribe for more fashion news.